Hi, welcome to Camlish.com. I'm teacher Emmy, and I'm going to be your teacher in learning the English language easily. The title of our book is Classroom English. This is a practical guide to teaching English through English. Now our discussion will begin from page 215. Okay, so in this page we're already on lesson number 68. Okay, and as you can see, our topic is free conversation. Okay, again, the topic is free conversation. Alright, now let's try to study and see the teacher's language. So here below you can see some sentences about the teacher's language. Okay, that has something to do with the topic free conversation. So let's read. The first one is, do you remember what follow-up questions are? Okay, next we have here, let's review how we ask them. What's one of your 3 questions? Another question here is, what follow-up questions could we ask about that? Now let's talk in pairs. Ask your partner your 3 questions. After each answer, ask a follow-up question. Try a few questions. The rest of us will listen. And now everyone in your pairs go ahead and talk. So that's an overview of the teacher's language according to the topic again, which is free conversation. Now let's see that in a dialogue form so we can better understand what was happening. So we have here, dialogue starts with the teacher speaking. Today we're going to talk in pairs. But first, do you remember what follow-up questions are? And then the students answered yes. Okay, on to the next page. We have here the teacher again speaking. Good. Let's review how we asked them. Sungmin, what's one of your 3 questions? Okay, and then Sungmin answered, who's your favorite actor? And then teacher said, okay, Sungmin, ask Insu. And then Sungmin asked the question, who's your favorite actor? And then Insu said, Kim Jin-ho. Okay, and then the teacher again, okay, now what follow-up questions could we ask about that? And then the students answered, why do you like him? What's your favorite Kim Jin-ho movie? How many Kim Jin-ho movies have you seen? Okay, and then the teacher corrects questions when necessary and writes them on the board. Then the teacher said, now let's talk in pairs. Ask your partner your 3 questions. You can also ask other questions about movies. After each answer, ask a follow-up question. Minjun and Subin try a few questions. The rest of us will listen. And then Minjun asks Subin a question and a follow-up question, while the teacher guides and corrects as necessary. Now everyone in your pairs go ahead and talk. Okay, so let's now study the other expressions. So we have here the question number 1. Do you remember what follow-up questions are? Another way of saying that is, can you recall what follow-up questions are? Or, can you tell us what follow-up questions are? Okay, now on to the next question, number 2. What follow-up questions could we ask about that? Another way of saying that is, what questions could we ask after that? Or, what kind of follow-up questions could come after that? Okay, we also have here number 3. You can also ask other questions about movies. Feel free to ask other questions about movies too. Okay, another one here we have the sentence, if you want, you can ask other questions about movies too. Okay, and then number 4 we have here, now everyone in your pairs go ahead and talk. You can also say, let's begin talking in pairs now. Or in your pairs now, have a good discussion. Another one is, now you can start talking with your partner. Okay, and you can also check here below the Korean translation of the dialogue part. Alright, so that would be all for the video and for this lesson. Thank you for listening. Again, I'm Teacher Emmy. See you in our next video lesson. Goodbye!